The Ho Dental Company Dental Impression System delivers accurate impressions with precise marginal detail. Dr. Phillip Ho will demonstrate the use of the Mojo Complete pre-filled Impression Material Syringe, the Harmony Posterior Dual Arch Tray, and the Vacu-Mixer automated VPS mixing machine. The benefits include ease of use, fewer steps, and significant cost savings.
We're going to go ahead and try the tray in, bite down, open, bite, open. Okay, I start off right before the impression. I dry the opposing to make sure I don't lose detail. And I go ahead and dry the preparation. And as I start my application of the light body, Sandy here will start the Vacu-Mixer with a heavy body. Okay, go ahead. Blow air around the margins after the first application of light body until I see the margin, and then reapply. And then with the remaining amount, I go ahead and apply to the opposing arch. This way you have less adjustments. Open and bite. By applying the light body on the opposing arch, you can see that you get much better detail, therefore less adjustments of the final crown.
The Ho Dental Company Dental Impression System delivers accurate impressions with precise marginal detail at a fraction of the cost.